checking out. Hope your day is going well. Hope everyone is healthy, safe, all that jazz, man. Appreciate the support on the channel. Keep liking, subscribing to the channel, and supporting what I got going on. So in today's video, we might we got a little bit of a open space, so I'm gonna see if I got a little bit of hands. I'm gonna see if I can control this beast. So I'm gonna show you how I do a burnout with the 6-speed, because you guys with the automatics, y'all got it easy. All you do is hit the brake and then hit the gas. You guys doing a burnout. I got a 6-speed, so I got a little bit of work I need to do to do a burnout. I might do a couple donuts and things like that. So we are in a empty parking lot in Mexico. Weather's pretty good and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna try to have some fun with it. So let's get to it. All right, we're good. We're recording. So before I start this off, what I'm gonna do, because my car's a 6-speed, and with these cars you have traction control, and you can also go completely traction control completely off with taking off the stability control. So what I'm gonna do, for me to take stability control off, I'm gonna hold down my traction control button and I'm gonna start the car all at the same time. So if you can watch my heads up display here, as I do that, it would say traction control is already off, and then it should change to stability control is off. So we are ready to go. We are fully off here. Put it in sport mode. Let me see. Let me turn my music down here. We don't want that. Don't want that playing right now. You know, put that down. Wind the windows down, because definitely want to see, make sure I'm recording. I am recording. Sport mode is on. So we're doing a burnout. Like if you have a 6-speed, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk you through, tell you exactly what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna have it in first gear, and I got the clutch pushed in, put it in first gear here now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dump the clutch, I'm gonna hit the gas really hard, get the back tire spinning. Once they start spinning, I'm gonna slam on the brakes really hard. That will lock up my brakes, and that way allow me to do a standing burnout. Now, typically I don't like doing that because I'm gonna be wearing out my rear brakes. But yeah, if you have line lock, this is an easy process, but I don't have line lock, so I'm gonna have to be quick on the feet. So here we go. First gear, I'm in, I'm gonna dump it, I'm gonna slam brake. Right there. Bam, there we go. All right, that's going to be the end of this video. This is a very, very, very quick video. Just want to have a little fun. Tires are still good. I had a lot of tread on them. I didn't go too crazy, just went crazy enough to let you know that you know, we do this too. So let me know if you liked it. Remember to subscribe, comment, share this video with other people. We're out of this one. Peace.